Hey, it's Lance here on this wonderful Friday morning, beautiful and sunny, and just want to talk to you a little bit about why you might not be getting the results that you want in your business. So we're going to talk a little bit about why it's important to do time blocking, and this going to give you kind of three things that's going to help with. So when I say time blocking, it's all really about the fact that you need to be setting the exact times, whether you use the tools. There's a Google Calendar and you can color code it, set your times. But when you're going to do your daily activities for building your business, daily method of operations, so that would be like, I'm going to send an email out to my subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to set that at a certain time. You're going to time block that. I'm going to do my personal development, for building a skill or positive mindset. I'm going to set a time for that. Or when am I going to do a video and set a time for that? All these things can be put within your calendar at set times. And so that's very important, because that is going to help you keep on track. One, keep on track, be focused. It's going to help with focus. And number two, it's going to help with your consistency, being consistent with the actions on a regular basis at the same time, and get you into where you can produce results. You have to do things with consistency to get continual and growing results. So that's very important. And the other thing is that once you're doing this for a while, those that you're sending, like an email sending out on a regular basis at the same time with consistency, they're waiting for you. They're watching, because they know when you send something out, whether you're sharing your opportunity or whether you're providing added value for them to help build their business if they're not part of your business. If that makes sense. And number three, the big thing is, as you continue to do this over the next 21 days plus, it's going to help you establish a solid habit. So you got one, focus, your ability to stay on track and focus, help you build the consistency at a set time of doing these specific things that you need to do, these tasks for your business every single day. And number three, establish that solid habit to where it just becomes ingrained in you and you're doing it all the time. So, time blocking is important. Don't forget it. Make sure that you take the time to use whatever tool you use, whether it's Google Calendar or some other method, and set your times of those important activities and tasks that you got to perform to get the results in your business you desire. So many blessings to everybody. Hope this was helpful. Those three things, remember: focus, consistency, solid habit. And don't forget, click the link below the video and check us out, exactly what we do online here, and we can definitely help you every single step of the way to build the results and get the results you want.